All right, here we are, man.
Finally, here we are, bro.
So it's our first collaborative working time on Meta Rooms, and we chose to be at the beach in this villa today.
Yeah, we need some inspiring
with Ignacio.
atmosphere, right?
So I will just go back. I will just go back to my computer, and I will just share it again. Oh no, it was on my back. Sorry.
Yeah.
So I will just turn on this side. Okay, I will just turn my screen. Actually, we don't need to put it on the board. Oh, if I share my screen now, you see it, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, cool. So let me hang off there. I don't need this. I just take my mouse. Okay, so to explain to you, to give you a bit of update on the project. So far, I told you Giovanni is going to join us to do some translation. That's why this AI training program, we start to already make it in Italian. Tomorrow on Loom, we have some kind of videos where we quickly introduce the AI presentation. Can you hear the volume?
Yeah, I can.
So you see, we have this kind of short video. So first of all, to make you quickly, we introduce that we do this training program on ChatGPT and Midjourney V5. Have you tried Midjourney already?
Not yet.
Okay, I will teach it to you when you come over here. I will explain it to you. We sell like a package online. This package is done on Go High Level. I can show you. JcMETAV. So we already have a website, which is as follow, and which also is like a funnel, where I put my video and I present this program. Okay, and I also put a lot on the presentation and what's inside the class and what we are going to learn. And we have different packages, which are for now €16, 229, and for companies it's 2,229. Now there is a 70% promotion, at least for the next 1 to 2 months, until we get good feedback on the training program. But the target for us is to sell to people and companies at least at this price, at 2,002 minimum. Okay.
Okay. One thing I would like to say is, I actually have a really good contact in Chile regarding a HR company, you know.
Yeah,
this company, their purpose is they actually train people in order to help them to achieve like new skills, you know, or the most needed skills like in the market nowadays, right? Okay. So I think that could be a good asset for this product, actually, if you could target that company.
I agree.
And the good thing is the general manager is my uncle.
So that helps. Okay, great. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, I think on the Spanish market, you know, with Chile and Spain, there is already a lot to be done. You see, we made the website quite long and we explained all the
Latin American market, actually. It's quite a big one. Yeah.
And so the company is located in Dubai. It's called Digital Lab FZCO.
Wow, that's really cool, bro. So, well, I would like to ask you, what are your expectations for this business? Like, where do you see this business?
Alors, I see this business going into 3 directions. Let me try to show you a website that I made. It's called MindMaster.
It didn't start quite long ago, you know, it's been months only.
Yeah, it has been less than 7 months, you know.
Yeah, it's been like since November, I think.
I'm full on, man. November? Yeah, since November, and I discovered it in January, and I went full on it.
Bro, that's really awesome because there are actually big opportunities in this.
So I will go to Mind Map. Okay. So I will explain you what's the company. So on the middle, you have this company called JcMETAV, where we basically sell B2C training programs in AI.
And B2B.
Yes, and AI, and then B2B. Okay. B2B training programs. So far, we have managed to engage for France, Italy, Switzerland, and you for Spain. Okay, so we have.
Actually, you can leave me as APAC.
Yeah.
You know, because basically is Latin America. I do speak English as well, so I can take care of United States, Canada, Japan.
We call it correct, APAC. We have Italy, France. Sorry, and US is. I mean, English we still didn't find. I mean, I can do it, but I would like to find probably someone with more into UK, USA. Let's see.
I have the guy for UK if you need someone.
Okay, and I have also
a really good one.
I know someone who will be very good in German also.
Okay.
So this we can do both, okay, on both, but it will be a lot of time to translate because this one, the program is very long. I mean, so far for selling to B2B, if you already have the Visio, the 3 hours class, it's about 70 slides, everything is translated, and you have prepared the Loom, I think it's good enough. You can already almost start to do something.
Okay.
And then, from this one, it's our first gate. So we are going to enter the company, okay, by teaching the people on AI. And from that, we are going to find out if there are more opportunities. The second opportunity that I forecast, which is called AI Prompt Career, okay, this one is going actually to be on 2 business, which is one, a recruitment of ChatGPT4 engineers. Okay. And the second business out of this one is creating an official certification.
Okay.
This means that when companies want to hire someone in ChatGPT4, they will trust us to organize an exam and find out if the person has the right skill to be employed. And we are going to charge people and company to pass this certification.
You know, for that one, would be actually good if you have if we could have like any kind of agreement with an educational, institution. That would give it like even more credibility.
I think if you want credibility, it will be in the future. For now, I want to be private. And we need to get the credibility from 2 things. First, from the number of students that we have, the number of views, the number of engagement that we get. And probably, I'm still pending to see some job options, if I could join any of them, that could give us a legitimate title inside the team. Okay?
That's what I would like to, of course. Like, I want to...
And the third product is actually not defined yet in terms of name, okay, to be defined. But basically, here we are going to actually... Oops, sorry, it's from this one. We are going here actually to sell some products. And the products we are going to sell are most likely to be chatbots in AI, which are public. So it means the ones you set on your website and that you have people click on them and ask for questions to the company and get right answers.
Like customer service.
Exactly. And the second one is internal. It means that you need to set up a bot inside the server of the company. And in private, this bot knows all the company data, even some ones which can be a bit more sensitive, so that if people have questions inside the company, they can ask everything to the local bot.
But you know what? We have a really big competitor for that product. For especially for the second one you're mentioning, Wikipedia. I don't know if you are aware of it, but Wikipedia, they do sell. We all have access to this library, which is called TOWiki, and whenever we want to learn about any internal procedures, in case we have some questions or we don't know how to handle something, we just open this website, which is TOWiki, based on Wikipedia, right? Yeah. And then we write what we want to know. But of course, it is less intuitive because whenever you're looking for the actual process you need to learn how to handle, you gotta read the whole thing, until you find what you're actually looking for.
Whereas here it's super direct. You ask the bot like a person and you get direct answer.
Exactly.
So it's going.
I get that.
It's going.
However, what I was saying is for sure Wikipedia is already working on this, and considering the budget they may have,
of course,
for sure they're gonna come with something massive. If we are the first ones, that's the key. We gotta be the first one to do this. More
so far I have friendly. All the people who work with me, all the trainees and all, they are super motivated, to start this project. We already got some good students. Next Wednesday, we have already a big company from France with 20 million euros of revenues per year. And they are they are bringing 19 of their executives and associates to have the first class, the first Visio. And at the same time, we are finishing all the packages so that we can start the B2C. So I think the first step that we want to achieve is first start from the training, what we call JcMETAV. JcMETAV will have these 2 legs, and then we need these 2, I think, will come along the side. Okay. They are not for short term. The short term for us is to meet companies, understand what they want, and provide products.
The name for that product actually could be something related to library. Considering what I was using at Agoda.
Exactly. You are true. You actually we should check.
Just write it down. It should be something with library, like library or something like that, to make it like friendly, so we can create an image like, my name is library or something like that. I'm going to help you to work around, you know, the procedures, etc. What would you like to?
Internal AI bots to clients. You can see the screen, right? What I'm writing.
Yes. Yes.
Um,
Company names.
the notion of library.
Exactly. But I think the.
Oh, sorry, I did a mistake.
I think the bot is actually searching for real companies.
Yeah. Sorry.
We need like a suggestion for names. So go for suggestion.
Okay, hold on. I will do it the right way.
Yeah.
Please act.
Suggest.
Company name. Creator expert. Your role is to give 5 company names which resonate to the public when we give you the industry, some additional features. Please say yes and stand still. Oh,